Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi pancake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of aged kimchi, finely chopped, along with 2 tablespoons of its flavorful juice. Next, measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of cold water. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh chopped green onions and 1 large egg. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious and easy meal. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of water, and the 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and free of any lumps. Once that's done, gently fold in your chopped kimchi, the fresh green onions, and the egg. Be careful not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to cook your delicious pancake. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, pour about 1/2 cup of your prepared batter into the pan, spreading it gently to form an even circle. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfyingly crispy texture. Your easy kimchi pancake is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's hot and crispy. A simple dipping sauce made from soy sauce, a splash of rice vinegar, and a pinch of toasted sesame seeds perfectly complements the savory flavors. This dish is fantastic as an appetizer or a light meal. For more great deals and to grab that little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.